Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to block someone on Discord. So open the Discord application. Once you open the Discord app, you need to tap on the three horizontal line. Tap that. Once you're at this page, you tap on the icon raising a hand on the bottom menu. Tap that, and here you will have all the list of the friends that you have on Discord. Now to block a certain someone, tap upon that profile. Then you need to tap on the three dotted horizontal line. Tap that. There you will have the option to block it. You tap on block and this will block that person immediately. There you can see there is no longer that friend being visible on your profile. So this is how you can block someone on Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.